Welcome to Grappling Mechanics. I'm Jason Williamson. Basically just want to look at the way to stand up once you hit the ground and you have time to re-stand up. The worst thing you can do is turn your back and get up. You never want to turn your back on your opponent. So basically what we're looking at, especially if it's for MMA, you want to be protecting yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 foot back and 1 foot out. You're going to lean over a little bit and get some balance on this hand. This hand is going to stay in front to protect, all right, to keep a guy back. Grappling or fighting, to keep him back. I'm now going to lean and push with my foot so that my hip comes up. You should have this kind of motion so you can easily hover. From here, I'm going to come up and I'm going to put my foot right through to behind me. Again. Here, I'm going to lean onto this hand, bring my foot up, protect my face. I'm going to push with my foot and lean on my hand so that I get a little bit of hover. I'm able to hover. Put my foot through and stand up.